What are a governor's powers in extradition cases? Imagine a situation where someone commits a crime in one state but flees to another. Who makes the call on whether they should be sent back? That's where a governor's powers in extradition cases come into play. These powers are part of the larger role they have in running the state's government and working with other states. A governor's main job in extradition cases is to decide whether to surrender a person to another state when asked. This process starts when the governor of the state where the person is found receives a formal request from the governor of the state where the crime happened. This request includes official documents like charging papers and a formal demand signed by the requesting governor. Once the request is received, the governor has a clear duty to act. If the request is valid and all documents are in order, the governor must issue a warrant to arrest the person and arrange for their return to the demanding state. This is a legal obligation based on the U.S. Constitution's extradition clause and state laws. The governor's job is to verify that the person is truly a fugitive from justice based on the documents provided. While the governor must follow the law, they do have some limited options. They can investigate the demand or hold a hearing to question the fugitive about the request. But they cannot refuse to extradite if the demand meets all legal requirements. Refusing extradition when everything is in order is very rare and usually not supported by courts. The process also involves strict procedural rules. The extradition request must include a signed demand from the other state's governor, along with certified copies of the criminal charges and other necessary documents. These must be authentic and meet federal and state standards. If everything is correct, the governor is legally bound to proceed with the surrender. In practice, governors serve as the key officials ensuring interstate cooperation in criminal cases. They balance their legal duties with safeguards to protect the rights of the accused. Sometimes they may verify documents or give the fugitive a chance to respond, but their primary role is to follow the law and ensure that fugitives do not find safe haven in their state. So, in simple terms, a governor's powers in extradition cases are about following the law to surrender fugitives when proper legal requests are made. They have a duty to act once the demand is valid, but they also have limited discretion to investigate or hold hearings. Their role is vital in keeping the system fair and making sure justice travels across state lines smoothly.